Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. So today I'm gonna share with you the experience that I had while trying the poly gel kit. Like, I wanted to try the gel nail for so long, and for that matter I choose to go with the brand that I trust, which is Makartt. So I got the poly gel kit, which is this kit, and inside you have the brush pen, you have the nail mold that I'm showing you right now, you have the top coat, the base gel, and you have also all of sort of colors. You have the clear, the white, the natural pink, the dark pink, the light pink, and the misty pink. They really give you like everything that you need to make your gel nail. I don't know if you heard like the gel nail that you can make by yourself at home, but I wanted to try it, and this is what we are going to do today. I was very curious to know like how long would it take me to do that. And yeah, here I also got the Makartt light, like the UV light, to make the gel nail dry. You absolutely need to have that light, because otherwise you won't be able to make that happen. In this little glass I put on some alcohol because it will help you with the brush pen to put the gel on. And yeah, so as always, when you start you need to trim a little bit your nails and make sure everything is smooth and perfect. And here I'm going with the base gel. That's the one you put right after you finish like trimming your nails and everything. It will make the gel like stick better on your nails, something like that. So you absolutely need to do that step. Also, this nail gel will last you for not more than 3 days. So this is something you will do to go out or something like that. It's not like the other gel that I showed you last time that will last you for a week. So you have to take that in mind. Then I went on with the natural pink. I think I was trying to use the natural pink because I was like, if I mess things up, it won't be like too dramatic if you took like, I don't know, let's say white or anything like that. But the natural pink was really a good color like to start with. So you have to take just a little bit of it. It has to be like very small amount, as you see, and then you have to press it a little bit. Don't forget to put your brush pen inside the alcohol before putting the gel on your nail mold, and then you'll press it very gently. I made the mistake to press it very hard, and I saw that the gel will like pass around the corners and everything, but you have to press it gently, and then you will put it in the UV gel machine for like 60 seconds and the nail will be all fine. So you can see that my nail was like great, but you can see all the gel that's around it. And after that, what I did, it was easy to remove after that. You let it dry and then you'll be able to remove very easily. So we're now gonna repeat the process. You have to put your brush pen inside the alcohol, then with the tip you have to put the gel inside the mold and then brush it. It's an easy process, but you really need to practice. It must get easier, because I took my time on the first hand and I did it very great. You also need to take your time, but on the other hand I was doing very fast, very quick, because we needed to go out and I was running late, so I was doing very quick, and the other hand like turned out not so great. So this is something you have to take. You have like an hour to do your nail. This is gonna take you an hour, but for the end result I was very surprised because it looks so good. It looks very natural. I think that Alex said that this is the perfect like natural nail if you need to go out somewhere important and you don't have the time to go to the nail salon, or you don't want to spend the money on it. This is perfect because This is like you will do your nails around 100 times, and it's much less expensive than going to the salon. So that's what I like the most about this gel kit, you know. So anyways, if you have any question, you can leave them in the description down below, anything I didn't talk about. And I will also leave the link to purchase the Makartt kit on Amazon if you want. This is the final result, and yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video or vlog or anything like that. I love you. Bye bye.